Hello everybody. Looks like there was a 4.3 earthquake down in San Francisco in the Bay Area. It was a magnitude 4.3 in San Francisco in the Bay Area. And this was near the San Ramon, California, near the Bay Area. Happened this afternoon, exactly 1:11. It was within 7.46 miles of the epicenter, and about 7.5 miles east of Black Hawk, and 17 miles east of Concord. So it's right there in the middle of the whole thing, near the San Andreas Fault in the Ring of Fire. So there's been a lot of these earthquakes. A couple days ago there was more on the other side of the Ring of Fire near Japan, Indonesia, and so forth, and now looks like there's some sporadic earthquakes on that. So just get prepared, make sure you have a lot of water, and have your evacuation plans and stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to donate, hit the GoFund button. I appreciate it, and we'll take care. God bless, and mahalo. It's gonna blow.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.